When working with embroidery, there are times where we need to skip over colors or actually move within a color stitch by stitch. And to do so, you're going to first touch the broken thread. And I love the fact on this machine that it shows me both the big design and the smaller design. Now the key is knowing which of these knobs to actually turn. So if I want to go forward stitch by stitch, turn the top knob. That is rolling, as you can see by the number, just slowly stitch by stitch. If I give it a good whirl, then I jump a little bit faster. Now the lower knob will jump it much quicker, like 50 stitches at a time, and a quick chart. Oh, I'm way going past where I was. This one is a much faster turn, so if you need to really kind of get all the way back into the middle of a design to pick up where you were, use this knob and then fine tune it with some of the smaller and get it exactly where you need to be. So whether I need to back up, if I put a new bobbin in, I've broken a thread and need to fix it, I mean, this is truly the way you can dial in exactly which stitch to start on.